Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are fine. I am also fine. My dear students, welcome to Sabar online class. At first, I would like to introduce with you. Would you like to introduce with me? Thank you, my dear students. I am Monirul Islam Monir, Assistant Teacher of Sarigram Government Primary School, Sabar, Dhaka. Thank you, my dear students. Okay, my dear students, we know we are passing a very critical situation for coronavirus. Many people have been affected by coronavirus, so you have to stay at home. You will wash your hands again and again. You have to eat vitamin C related fruits. Okay, my dear students, today I will take English of class 4. The students of class 4, are you ready? Take your book, take your notebook, pen, etc. Okay, I hope you are ready. My dear students, before starting my class, we will watch very interesting video. Would you like to watch any video? Thank you. Now I am going to start very interesting video. Are you ready? Okay, thank you, my dear students. Look at the screen.
What are you doing? Sing.
Singing. I am singing a song.
What are you doing? I'm singing a song. Read.
Attention please.
Reading.
Reading.
I'm reading a book. What are you
doing?
I'm reading.
I am reading a book.
Wash. Washing. I'm washing my hands. What are you doing? I'm washing my hands. Brush.
Attention please.
Brushing. I'm brushing my hair. What are you doing? I'm brushing my hair. Dry. Drying. I'm drying my hair.
Okay, my dear students, already we have watched very interesting video. Can you say about the video? Try to say, my dear students. Try to say. In this video, there were some words, there were some sentences. Am I right? Thank you. And every sentence is present continuous. Can you say present continuous? My dear students, last class I discussed about present continuous. Can you remember? Can you remember, my dear students? Today, just I will review the previous class. Present continuous tense. What is happening now? It is present continuous. Suppose, what am I doing? You are right. I am sleeping. My dear students, what am I doing now? I am talking with you. I am talking with you. It is present continuous because the activity is doing now. My dear students, look at me. What am I doing? You are right. I am walking. I am walking. So it is also present continuous. Are you clear? I hope you are clear. Can you say the definition of present continuous? Try to say. Yes. My dear students, look at the screen. Definition. বর্তমান কালে বা এখন কোনো কাজ চলছে বা হচ্ছে এরূপ বোঝালে প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স হয়। ইজ ইট ক্লিয়ার? নেক্সট, স্ট্রাকচার। at first subject, then am is are, then main verb, then ing, then extension. Is it clear? Already you learned it last class. Am I right? Okay, thank you. There is a note. Where will you use am is are? আয়ের সাথে কি বসে? সে am. হি শি ইটের সাথে কি বসে? is. You are right. উই ইউ দে এর সাথে কি বসে? are. You are right, my dear friends. Already we discussed about present continuous the previous class. My dear students, now I will show some interesting pictures. Would you like to see any picture? Okay, thank you, my dear students. Look at the screen. Can you say what is she doing? Try to say. You are right. She is sleeping. She is sleeping. Thank you. Next picture. Wow. Who can say what is she doing? She is waking up. She is waking up. Thank you. Next. Next picture. What are they doing? Try to say. Yes, you are right. They are laughing. They are laughing. My dear students, what am I doing? Yes, I am laughing. I am laughing. Thank you. Next picture. Can you say what is she doing? She is drawing. She is drawing. Next one. Wow. There are 3 students here. Who can say what are they doing? They are reading. They are reading. I hope you are reading now. Am I right? Thank you. Last picture. Wow, it is amazing picture. Look at the picture. There are 3 symbols of music. So try to say what kind of picture. You are right. They are singing. They are singing. Thank you, my dear students. My dear students, all activities are present continuous. Am I right? Thank you, my dear students. Can you say today's lesson? Yes. Can you say today's lesson? You are right. Today's lesson is present continuous Unit 17, Lesson 4, page 35. Dear students, at the beginning of my class, we will learn some new words. Is it clear? Okay, my dear students, look at the screen. Can you say what is this? This is sleep. Sleep means ঘুমানো. Sleep means ঘুমানো. Thank you. Next one. Wake up. Wake up. What is the meaning of wake up? Can you say? Thank you. জেগে ওঠা. জেগে ওঠা. Look at the screen. Next one. Laugh. Laugh means হাসা. Laugh means হাসা. Would you like to laugh? Next one. Draw. Can you say what is the meaning of draw? Try to say. Thank you. Draw means আঁকা. Draw means আঁকা. Okay, thank you my dear students. Last one. Sing. Sing. Sing means গাওয়া. Sing means গাওয়া. Say after me. Sing means গাওয়া. Would you like to sing a song? Thank you my dear students. Okay, my dear students, take your book and open at page 35. Okay, have you done? Thank you. Now we will listen a audio, and when you will listen audio, put your finger under the lines. Okay, my dear friends, are you ready? Thank you. Attention please.
English in action. He is sleeping. She's waking up. They are laughing. She is drawing. They're reading. They're singing.
Thank you my dear students. My dear students, we will listen a audio again. Are you ready?
English in action. He is sleeping.
Who can say what is she doing? Yes, you are right. He is sleeping.
They are laughing.
My dear students, what are they doing? They are laughing. They are laughing.
She is drawing. They're reading. They're singing.
Thank you my dear students. Okay, now I will read the text and you will follow me. Understand? My dear students, he is sleeping. She is waking up. They are laughing. She is drawing. They are reading. They are singing. Okay, my dear students, say after me. Okay. He is sleeping. Thank you. She is waking up. They are laughing. She is drawing. They are reading. They are singing. Okay, my dear students, you will practice again and again. Okay? My dear students, now I will show some picture and you will say about the picture. Okay? My dear students, who can say what are they doing? Try to say. Yes, they are running. They are running. Thank you. What are they doing? What are they doing? You are right. They are laughing. Next, what is he doing? He is eating. He is eating. Next, what are they doing? They are reading. Try to say they are reading. Okay, thank you. What is she doing? Try to say she is drawing. She is drawing. Last one. What are they doing? They are singing. Say after me. They are singing. My dear students, they are singing. Okay, my dear students, is it clear? I hope everything is very clear to you. Okay, my dear students, now you will say only yes or no. Now I will show some sentences. If the sentence is present continuous, you will say yes. If the sentence is not present continuous, you will say no. Okay, my dear students, look at the screen. First sentence, look at me. First sentence, he goes to school. Can you say, is it present continuous? Try to say, you are right. It is not present continuous. Why? Can you say the reason? My dear students, there are no am is are and there is no ing with main verb. So we can say it is not present continuous. Am I right? Thank you. Next sentence, we are playing cricket. Is it present continuous? Thank you. You are right. It is present continuous because here we subject and then are, then main verb play and ing. So we can say it is present continuous. Am I right? Is it clear to you? Thank you. Then I eat rice. Is it present continuous? No. Thank you. My dear students, next, the girl is dancing. Is it present continuous? Try to say, you are right. Thank you. Because the girl is subject, then is, then dance, main verb with ing. So we can say it is present continuous. Last one, she is watching TV. Is it present continuous? Yes, it is also present continuous. Thank you, my dear students. Now you will take your notebook and write down your homework, my dear students. Are you ready? Are you ready? I hope you are ready. Okay, my dear students, look at the screen. There are 5 sentences here. You have to filling in the blanks with verb in bracket. Okay, my dear students. Of course, you have to use present continuous. For example, I am writing the correct answer, first sentence. Okay, look at the board, my dear students. The boy is, the verb is talk. The boy is talking to his mother. In this way, you will write down next sentences answer. Are you clear? My dear students, do you have any question about present continuous? Are you clear? I hope you have no question about present continuous. Okay, my dear students, I will finish my class to listen goodbye song. Do you want to listen goodbye song? Are you ready? Okay, my dear students. Goodbye,
it's time to go away.
Goodbye, goodbye,
I wish you a good day.
Goodbye, goodbye,
It's time to go away.
Goodbye, goodbye,
I wish you a good day.
Thank you, my dear students. See you again.